The walls are done.
Meow.
I wanted to give you a little update on how the kitchen is looking. So I'll do a quick before shot and a nice after shot. It's not quite finished. I still have to paint a little bit around the windowsills. But I just wanted to show off this beautiful kitchen island that we got. Wasn't too expensive. And then the pot rack, lighting, and here we have a nice counter depth refrigerator that only cost us $9.50. Usually these guys go for a high price. This was a high cents one. Just gonna show you what a nice refrigerator it is inside. Has a good amount of space, and then there's a freezer below. So very awesome buy right there. Hisense counter depth refrigerator. Love counter depths because they're not sticking out into the room when they shouldn't be. We have a gas range. We haven't quite hooked it up yet. We got a nice hood for the range. And then Craig put in this fixture over the sink, and we put in this little chandelier, which is a big improvement to the light fixture that once was there. I still have to dress up the brick, and I still have to correct this wall, and I still have to do something with the floors. But it's turning out really pretty. As you can see, the tile on the wall is all done. And it's just so much more bright and cheery than it used to be. It's looking like a real kitchen. So just wanted to show you guys my progress.